So I'm rotating gently, I'm checking this hook as we go forward. And I'm watching. So that's the lowest spot here. Nope, it's not. That wasn't enough, I don't think. So the needle goes down, picks up the bottom here. Maybe that is just right, because it's got to get around the bottom to let the thread go as the machine goes to pick up. So let's throw some thread in there and test it quick. Well, I said throw some thread in there and check it, but this machine is designed so that you can't throw thread across the top of it without the back of the case on. So I am going to still put thread like this and just leave my spool thread hanging loose off the back of the machine. And stick our needle in. The flat to the back again. This thread was shredded, so of course it's there we go. Troublesome, but goes down and around, and that's the spot where it's going up. It starts to tension, okay. There's the release side, and it's just started to tug up. That might be just right, okay. We will put this machine together and test it out. Okay. Threw the machine back together. You've seen me do that a lot. Thread the machine around and over and through and down and into that hook, and then through the needle. I'm stubbornly not bringing a pair of scissors out, but obviously that would be the solution to this problem, because then I would be able to trim off these shredded thread ends and have a nice square bit of thread to pop through the needle. And then we'd be able to just slip it through. Alright. Pick up our lower thread. Get that. Keep that door open so we can watch as our thread goes through. And flip the switch on the side of the machine. Nope, still not in time. Alright. So, that set screw was part of the issue. But it must have skipped a tooth too, or the other side of the set drive is off. Having the thread through there is going to help me visualize which way the timing needs to go. So I have a feeling that I need to advance those gears by an entire tooth. So let's see here. Goes down. Having our tension up would be good. Hops around. And then, yeah, the pickup is starting. Comes around. Yeah, pickup has already started, and it needs to be, yeah, I think it's a tooth advancement, or I need to check, because there was that right angle on the gear. I need to check those set screws and see if they've got worked off their flats. So, all right. That is going to be, we'll pop this apart one more time and look at it. That is the real pain about these modern machines. An older machine, you'd have access to the back side where those gears are, and you could just get them adjusted without having to pop the entire back of the machine off. But a modern machine has a two-piece shell, and you just have to take the shell off every time you go to adjust it. So we'll give that a try. Well, we'll open it up and take another look at it.